remember exactly how I saw you for the first time. From the moment we met, I knew it was you. Since then until now, you make sure that I'm okay. You always treat me right. You made me realize how lucky I am to have you. And you are one of the best things that ever happened to my life.
Because you love to new horizon. Don't tell you how we're fun. Sit on the show with the silver lining.
Ano siya, mabait eh. Kumbaga, una ko siyang nakita, iba yung aura niya eh. Kumbaga, ano siya eh, parang masayahin, gano'n, hindi siya mataray, friendly siya. Yun ang naano ko sa kanya. Kaya yun din ang naging ano ko dun eh, naging hudyat na parang pwede to, pwede.
Baby, etong gift ko sa'yo is very special sa akin. Dahil ito yung favorite na relo ni Ma. This time, I will give it to you. I love you. Sana magustuhan mo.
Don't tell you how we're fun. Sit on the show with the silver lining. Start home.
The man who made an effort to pursue me for more than 8 years ago and still never failed to make an effort up to this day. Don't worry, I saw everything. All of your efforts just to make me happy and feel love.
Because you love to new horizon. Don't tell you how we're fun. Sit on the show with the silver lining. Start a whole new life.
Almost 9 years ago, when we first met, I honestly thought it was just a moment. Kasi bago ka dumating, akala ko wala nang para sa akin. Just when I stopped looking for anything and anyone, that surprised me in the most unexpected way. This time, I knew it was real and it was healthy. Because with you, love feels light, safe, and easy.
Dahil sa panata at pangako na inyong pagdadaupang palad, sa harapan ng Diyos ay magsusumpahan sa isa't isa at patuloy na bibigkisin ng kanyang pag-ibig mula sa inyong pag-ibig sa isa't isa.
Baby, sana magustuhan mo itong gift ko. 2 years ko itong pinag-ipunan. Kasi alam ko na gusto mo ito. Wow! Ano nang original yan? I love you!
Sinamahan mo ako during the most difficult days in my life. Katulad ng pagsama mo sa akin at pagtulong mo during my board exam. Hindi mo rin ako iniwan at inalalayan mo ako nung nawala na si Ma. I'm grateful. Salamat sa pagmamahal at pag-aalaga mo sa amin ni Dad.
Papasalamat ako kay Dad sa pag-aalaga niya sa amin, sa pag-guide niya sa amin. Kung hindi rin sa kanila ang parents ko, hindi rin ako makakarating sa ganito. Kaya malaking pasalamat ko sa kanila.
Time's drifting away.
Kahit ano pang problema yung dumating, itatayo kita every time na madadapa ka. Tutulungan kita pag nahihirapan ka. Sasamahan kita kahit ano pang mangyari. Kasi starting today, di ka na mag-iisa.
Thank you po sa lahat-lahat na tinulong niyo po sa akin. I love you po.
Starting today, you are now my wife. Let's be a home for each other forever. I love you very much. Ang tagal natin to inintay in God's perfect timing with Jesus' blessings.
Because after today, you are now my home. I will choose you over and over again for the rest of my life. I love you now and always will in every possible way.